Hey, it's Race just going over our final for the art class. What I decided to do for the final lesson plan is paper airplanes. I did this in high school, so I think it was appropriate to do this for this class. I have a video selected out, so that's what I would play first. I would make sure everyone is at their seat and that they have everything ready, such as materials. And then I start off the class by saying, has anyone ever made a paper airplane before? And then I would show this video, which I have pulled up on this tab.
We are about to have a future Olympic sport, paper airplane throwing, along the same rules of discus throwing. We've got our buddy Luke here. Hey, what's up, guys? I make music on YouTube. Watch and learn from the distance here, people. Attention.
So right here you can see that they are folding the paper to make the paper airplanes. They're folding into different shapes. Each person has a different way of folding, and that really highlights how everyone's different and how different people process different things different ways. It also highlights the shapes that they're making, as you can see, and the video continues. So right here, as they go around, you can see that each person has a different shape, and this guy right here in the middle, you can see how he has his folded wings is folded up on the outside of the plane, and the next person, this guy has more of a rectangle shape airplane right there. And this guy has pretty much triangles as his paper airplane. So there are different ways that you can do this. So any way that you feel like it fits for you. But I have some examples to show everyone. Go ahead and cut that, and then I'm pull back up my lesson plan. So this is just to help with the geometrical shapes, to help us learn geometrical shapes such as triangles, and it's also a fun opportunity to just test that the aerodynamics of planes. I feel like it'd be a very fun assignment. So I have a couple of examples here. This is a triple fold that I did, and then I did a double fold, and then a single fold, and I will show you how to make each one of those. So you're going to start out with a simple piece of paper, and then some people like to fold it in half to begin, which I think is a good idea. That way you get that shape down, and it's a lot easier to fold the paper airplane into the middle. So go and fold it straight down the middle. So just like that, and it opens. And then you're going to take these top two corners right here, and then you're going to fold them in to the middle until they meet. So I'm going to go and fold them. So right here, I have the triangle, and you can tell where I folded it at. And so from right here, you can do a single fold it up like this, and then you can fold it, that's the right one, yep. Then you fold it down, so this, the same thing as this. Let's do the same things. So, and then what I did was I folded each side down until they were even. So like that. That way it's even right here. Then this is a single fold, and I just flare out the sides, and then boom, it flies. But from this point, you can go a number of different ways. Some people like to fold them more, and that's what I like to do. So from here, you're going to take it just like this, and you're going to fold it another time to the inside. So go ahead and fold it. Okay, and I fold it again, so that's how it would look. And from here, the same thing as the last one. I have a two-fold right here. And I feel like these are usually a really good plane. So, however you can fold them, however you want to fold them. But those are some ways I like to fold them. And then from here, I can fold it again. So that's what I'll go ahead and do. I'll fold it again towards the middle. This one's probably the hardest one because that fold in the middle is getting so thick at the tip. That way right here, they kind of sometimes, if you don't get them right, they'll overlap right here. So go ahead and fold that one. Right here. This is how it will look if you do three folds to the inside. And then what you're going to do from here is you're going to fold it towards in the middle like a taco. And you'll get something like this. So from here you'll fold the wings. So what I like to do is I like to just fold them down on one side, and how far I like my wings down. This is how you're going to fold them. Fold them down once, and so from here I'll lay it on its back, and then I'll just match that fold on the other side. That way I have a nice even plane. So with this assignment, it really helps with them folding using their hands a lot. Alright, and from there we could go, I'll take my students out into the hallway and allow them the chance to fly them. So I could demonstrate real quick a couple of these. Step back, but so like this, didn't fly very straight, it probably wasn't get through, but so on different allowing the students to go out in the hallway and throw those paper airplanes, that'll be a part of probably the most fun of the assignment. Actually, is actually throwing them and like competing to see who threw farther, which is not a competition, but a lot of kids, are competitive. I would probably try to do this all in one day. That way the students don't lose patience. I don't want to see them just, oh, now I have to finish this, but it was from yesterday. That way they can just go ahead and get it done. And with that, I believe that is it. Thank you.